Hello friends, it's Miss Potter. Welcome to another day of Countdown. So I'm going to show you some pictures, and when you see the pictures, I'm first going to have you silently count in your brain how many pictures you see. Do not say the number out loud until I ask you. Are you ready? All right, so we have a grandma, and these are her grandchildren. They are hungry, and they want to eat some apples. So friends, go ahead and think in your brain, how many apples do we need so that they can each have one? All right, friends, count in your brain for a moment. Okay, kindergartners. How many pictures do you see? You got it, 3. Great. If there are 3 people, then how many apples will we need? Yes, we will need 3 apples, 1 for grandma and 1 for each of her grandkids. 1, 2, 3. Let's try another one. These people here are working really hard today. This is a police officer, this is a firefighter, a nurse, and this is a teacher. Now, it is lunchtime and they are going to eat some sandwiches. How many sandwiches do we need so that they can each have one? Think about how many pictures you see first. Now, I want you to think in your brain how many sandwiches we're going to need. All right, friends, great job thinking in your brain. Now, can you tell me out loud, how many pictures do we see? 4, you got it. There are 4 people here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many sandwiches are we going to need to make? You got it. We would need 4 sandwiches, 1 for the police officer, 1 for the fireman, 1 for the nurse, and 1 for the teacher. Amazing. All right, let's try another one. It looks like we have a boy here and a girl. And both of the kiddos are going to need a crayon. So I want you to think in your brain first, how many pictures there are and how many crayons are we going to need? All right, friends, can you tell me out loud? Yes, there are 2 pictures, 1 kiddo, 2 kiddos. How many crayons are you going to need to make sure each kid has one? Yes, you will need 2 crayons, 1 crayon, 2 crayon. Let's try another one. All right, friends, looks like we have some animals here. We have a cheetah, we have a cardinal, we have a lion, and we have a fish, and we have a lion. So I want you to think, friends, I want each and every one of these animals to have a book to read. So think in your brain first, how many pictures do we see? How many animals? And how many books do we need to make sure each animal has one? Think in your brain. All right, friends, can you tell me out loud? Yes, we have 4 animals. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to need 4 books. 1 for the cheetah, 1 for the bird, 1 for the fish, and 1 for the lion. Let's do 1 more. All right, friends, we see a dinosaur. And this dinosaur wants to wear a hat. So I want you to count in your brain how many dinosaurs you see. All right, friends, tell me out loud, how many dinosaurs? 1 dinosaur. So how many hats do we need? 1 hat. We just need 1 hat for the 1 dinosaur. Amazing job. Let's go ahead and move on to the next part. We have been learning all about sorting objects into their own categories, right? So in this category, we are going to put pictures that are loud, things that are loud or make a lot of noise. And over here, we're going to put objects that are quiet and don't make a lot of noise, okay? So friends, when we sort things into category, which one of our senses helped us do that? You got it, our eyes help us. Our eyes and our sense of sight got information and sent it to our brains. We made good decisions about what goes together. We also group things by the actions they do and the places we find them. Okay, we haven't talked about our other senses lately. Let's talk about what our ears do for us. What do our ears do, friends? You got it. They help us hear all kinds of sounds. So friends, let's be super duper quiet, just like ninjas, for a few seconds and see if you can notice different sounds or noises around us. Ready, set, go. Nice job, friends, using your ears to listen. So, what kind of sounds did you hear? Yes, you might have heard a fan blowing in the background, maybe a clock ticking, maybe you heard someone laughing in the background or your dog barking. Those are some great ideas and some great sounds you might have heard, right? Do you think we can put sounds into categories? Yes. So friends, we're gonna do just that. We're gonna look for things that make loud noises and things that make quiet sounds. Okay, so let's go ahead and try with the first picture. Looks like we have lightning or a storm. So friends, what does thunder sound like? Yes, it makes a loud boom sound or a rumbling sound, right? Is the thunder usually loud like a drum or quiet like a hand waving? Amazing, I heard you friends say that it is loud. Thunder and drum belong in the same category. Let's try another one. We see a butterfly. Is a butterfly something that usually sounds loud or quiet? Yes, a butterfly is usually quiet, just like a hand waving. Let's try another one. I see a book. So we're going to think about reading a book. When you read a book, is it usually loud or quiet? You got it. Reading a book is quiet. I see a lion. So does a lion roaring usually sound loud or quiet? A lion roar is usually really loud. Let's try another one. I see a turtle. Is a turtle loud or quiet? Turtles are usually quiet. Let's do one more. I see a waterfall. Is a waterfall something that is loud or something that is quiet? Smart cookies, it's usually loud, just like a drum. All right, friends, we're going to have one more game to play together. We are going to listen to some rhyming words. When two words rhyme, the middle and the ends of the words sound the same. Only the first sound changes. Okay, so I'm going to show you some pictures here. I see a jet and a net. Jet, net. These words rhyme. Fox, fox. These words rhyme. Key, bee. These words rhyme. Hose, nose. These two words rhyme. 6, mix. Those words rhyme. Pan, man. Those two words rhyme. Let's try one more. Bug, mug. Those two words rhyme. Let's go ahead and look at the rhyming words again. Jet, net. Box, fox. Key, bee. Hose, nose. 6, mix. Pan, man. Bug, mug. Nice job. All right, friends. We're going to go ahead and try one more time. And I want to see if you know what the rhyming word is. Are you ready? Jet. What rhymes with jet? Net. Great job. Let's see if you know the next one. Box. Box. Key. Bee. Nice job. Hose. What rhymes with hose? Nose. 6. Mix. Great job, kindergartners. Okay, let's try another one. Pan. What rhymes with pan? Man. Bug. Mug. House. Mouse. That's a new one. All right, kindergartners, thank you so much for learning with me today. I will see you all next week. Bye, kindergartners.